Yo, 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 animals, I am at the frickin' beach where I dropped the pants, and would you look at that? It's the frickin' pants. Yar, so I left these things a couple days in the water. They were really disgusting. I put them into the water with this rock, and they've come out pretty damn clean, you know. I don't know the material, but I would guess synthetic or partially synthetic. They're still gross, yeah, but not totally disgusting. And they were in a stream with a bunch of dirt. They've been some real dirty pants. The tide's supposed to come all the way back in, so come back, check on them, see if I frickin' want them, which I probably don't. Some guy with a baby was watching me. But he can watch. I'm the one that got the free pants. The waistband is still frickin' dirty. They're slightly damp, even after sitting there for a couple hours. That's how dirty they used to be. And that used to be all over. Here's the tag. Days 38 frickin' cotton polyester, so I was right. You can basically never afford to have too many pants unless your drawers are completely full, which is the case with me, but thing is, that wouldn't be happening if there wasn't free pants everywhere. The ocean waves really do a lot to wash pants and other sorts of things, and I'd found stuff in the ocean before. I found Justin Bieber merch from 2010, which is too small for me to wear. Yeah, I also found a shirt from a tourist shop. Who knows how that even got there, whether it was a fisherman or a hobo or somebody just stripping nude for no damn reason. I'm gonna dunk this and frickin' leave it on the rock. Squeak! This is my current setup for washing the pants again. See how they dip into the water in the dirtiest part, and then the cleanest part is held up there by a rock that I assume to be, I don't know, 30 pounds. So the tide is coming in. It'll come in the next couple hours and cover the pants, and it'll wash them after I'm done with hanging out with the people I'm hanging out with, and they will be at least 20% more washed. And yeah, that's the power of the sea. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, animals. I'm at the frickin' beach again. Hopefully I can find the frickin' rock this time. Oh, yo, 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 yo. There's the rock. The rock is right there. Holy frick, the pants are still attached. Let's hope they haven't gone into one of the cracks of them. Yeah, cool. Wow. Epic. Wow, they're totally washed by the ocean now. They're still kind of dirty, but they are kind of dirty, to be honest. It's going to take a couple washes for that. I think I'll leave them another 4 days, see what happens there, because this rock has been freaking rock steady, basically. But yeah, just know it does work. Yeah, this pant leg is still so freaking. So here we go again, this experiment. Damn it. Yeah, because to be honest, I don't want to be walking around in dirty pants around all those boomers at the festival. Didn't realize there was going to be so many boomers. But yeah, so washing things in the sea works. Yeah, just do it, because why the hell not? Who's stopping you from this? Genuinely. Squeak. Wiggle your tongue, animals. Man, there's nothing I love fricking more than washing my hands with kelp. It genuinely makes me feel so clean, and not just in the physical sense, but the spiritual sense. You know, this is genuinely what cleanliness is going to the beach and getting your hands just covered in fricking sea stuff and kelp and whatever. People think it's gross or whatever, that it's sensory bad or whatever, but I really like, you know, this is the whole point of the coming to the beach, is that you can go here and you're allowed to roll around in the sand and put rocks on your hands that are really rough and cover yourself in seaweed. No one can tell you not to. That's the whole point of going to the ocean. And that there are crabs, but only the right kinds of ones. So squeak, animals. Wiggle your whole animal tongue. Have a creature day. And make sure to squeak again. Honk. Peace out.